Hey everyone, in this lecture we will talk about brushes, a general idea how we can use brush and how we can increase or decrease size and how we can apply colors, etc. So let's see where we have a brush in the toolbar. So here you can see this is the brush and also you can press B key on your keyboard if you want to select this brush tool. Here you can see it's teeny tiny, it's a small, so we can increase size using bracket key. So now you can see it's bigger and bigger, and you can make small again using bracket key. So we have two bracket key in our keyboard. So using one bracket key, we can increase the size, another we can decrease the size. So now come to the point. So here we can see we have these, let me show you. So we have two kinds of brushes, general brushes and not two kinds, like we have several brushes, but generally we use these two brushes in general brushes, soft round and hard round. So let's try soft round. So you can see it's really soft, and here you can see the difference, it's hard round. Okay, so generally we use these two brushes, and we have another option. You can increase or decrease the size here. Now you can see it's really small, and also you can increase or decrease the hardness. Okay, so here so we have these two settings here. We can increase or decrease the size, and also we can increase or decrease the hardness. We can change the direction also. But yeah, these are the simple brushes, so we don't need to use this one. We have other options here, but we will talk about these later. Here you can see we have several blending modes. So we will talk about blending modes too. And here we have opacity. So you can increase or decrease the opacity. So you can see it's really light now because I decreased the opacity to 21%. And here we have flow. Let me show you. Suppose we have 100% opacity, but you can decrease the flow. Okay. So here, now you can see, let me decrease now. So now it's really light. It's going really slow, right? And if you are doing color at the same place again and again, it become darker, right? So this is the flow. And yeah, we have some other stuff like you can use, yeah, this is really interesting. We will use this. So you can turn off and on symmetry, but yeah, here I'm not explaining it, but yeah, you can draw something at one side and that you can find the same thing at the another side. So we will use this when we will draw, but for now, leave it. Yeah, one more thing. So first, let me control G. Let me remove this, and now I have one more thing. Suppose you want, yeah, first let's talk about color, and then I will explain you the the erasing thing. So yeah, here you can see we have colors. Okay, so now my brush, it's a black, right? So you can change the color here, double click, and now you can see you have color option. Now it's color, right? You can color this one, maybe decrease the size. And suppose you have one color here, and let me choose another color. Uh, you can learn how you can get the same color next time. Suppose you like now your brush, you are using brush, it says green color. Okay, suppose you wanna use this color again. Okay, so for that, what you can do, you can use this eyedropper tool. Okay, so select this tool, and there you go. Now you can see you have same color, and now you can work again. Okay, so this is a little bit about how you can get the same color. Suppose I want this color. Okay, let me zoom, zoom in. Again, eyedropper tool. I want this color. Let's choose this brush for now, and reduce the size. And now you can see I have this color, right? So you can change color from here. Okay. Next thing, which is really important. Let me do Control Z. Okay, suppose you fill this color right here, and now you wanna erase it. So we have a tool, it's eraser. So let's press E key, or you can select from here also, eraser, and increase the size of the eraser, again bracket key, and now you can see I'm erasing it. Okay, but what do you think? This is a good way to erase? It's destructive way of erasing. Don't do this, okay? Because uh, you are erasing the original part of your sketch. Okay, so never do it. Let me show you another way how you can do it. So for this, we have a option here, layer mask. Okay, so let me click on this. Now you can see I have a layer mask, so I can walk here. Okay, so select this part and select eraser tool, and now I'm erasing. Okay, and accidentally I erase something good or like useful. In that case, what you can do, you can switch your color and start again. Now you can see you are getting the same thing again. Okay, so this is the non-destructive way of erasing. So we use this one, the layer mask. Okay, so it's really, really important. So this is all about our drawing tool. Thank you.